Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious green salad for lunch. First, select your greens carefully. Opt for fresh, crisp varieties such as romaine, butter lettuce, or a spring mix. Thoroughly wash and dry them using a salad spinner or paper towels. This is crucial for a great texture. Then, tear larger leaves into manageable, bite-sized pieces. This simple step ensures every forkful is perfect. Next, let's add some vibrant vegetables to enhance both flavor and nutrition. Think about a rainbow of colors. Slice crisp cucumbers, sweet bell peppers, and juicy cherry tomatoes. For an extra layer of texture, consider adding shredded carrots or thinly sliced radishes. Remember, a diverse selection of vegetables makes your salad more appealing and satisfying. Aim for about 1.5 cups of mixed veggies. Now for the heart of any great salad, the dressing. A simple homemade vinaigrette is always best. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of your favorite vinegar, like apple cider or red wine. Season with a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For a little extra zing, add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix until well combined. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Place all your prepared greens and vegetables into a large mixing bowl. Just before you're ready to eat, drizzle your delicious homemade dressing over the top. Gently toss the salad using tongs or your hands until every leaf and vegetable piece is lightly coated. Serve immediately and enjoy your fresh, flavorful, and perfectly balanced green salad for lunch. It's truly the only way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.